So these are the doormen at the Manila Hotel. They are surprised I'm riding to Davao. Yeah. Today, Wednesday, I'm leaving the Manila Hotel. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Safe ride.
Safe ride, Koya. Yeah, you would.
Ride.
There we go. The Manila Hotel. The oldest hotel in Manila. Built in 1912. And I'm rocking the Casbah in Manila tonight. Right, let's go and get a drink, shall we? I've arrived. Yes. There are certain things when you're traveling through the Philippines that you just need to do. And coming to the Manila Hotel is one of those things. May balay. Mamundag. Oh, look at that. This is the lounge. Getting ready for Chinese New Year. It's the 30th of January. I'm walking down the stairs again. They love to have stairs. This is the foyer. This is the restaurant. Front doors are in at the front. We've got a wine tasting. This is the old part of the original Manila Hotel. It's beautiful, isn't it? 1912. They've got a conference suite and a wedding suite up on the right hand side here. It's the hall. Gary. There we go. It's the hall. There's another hall there. Very, very, very well designed. It's got beautiful gardens out the front. Sampugata Hall. I think there's a coffee shop down here. %50 discount on cakes. Wow, they look lovely, don't they? Hi kuya, kumusta? Okay lang? Okay, mabuti. This is what the Grand Hall used to look like in its heyday, with that frosting silver architecture. Kuya, Ati,
Hi, sir.
is this the champagne bar?
Champagne room.
Champagne room. Oh, okay. It's me. There we go. I did get dressed up. I'm not allowed to go wear slippers. That's what they told me. The door's open. And I sneak in. It's the champagne room. This is the fine dining. So I can't actually eat in here because I've actually got slippers. Hi Kuya,
Hello, sir.
kumusta?
Mabuti.
Mabuti. This is the champagne room?
Yeah, this is the champagne room.
The fine dining?
Fine dining.
Wow.
How are you, sir?
I'm very good. I cannot eat in here because I have slippers. I'm very sorry. It's a beautiful restaurant.
You have to come back again at 6 in the evening. The restaurant is open
Tonight?
tonight.
Can I come in with slippers on?
Yeah?
Yeah? Oh, you have a fine dining menu?
Yes, sir.
Oh, how much is it?
It depends. But for tonight, we have a full set menu. It's for 3,400.
Three-
That's a full set menu.
Is it?
Yeah.
Are you fully booked?
No, sir. We still have seats left.
Still have tables?
Yeah. Tables left.
Oh. Can I come in like this?
Yes, sir. Of course.
Oh.
But without the shorts.
Oh, I don't have any trousers. Can I squat like this? Okay. I will have to come back. Go and find some trousers. So it's 3,400 for the set meal tonight. They still have bookings, but reception told me no slippers. But champagne room opens at 6. Very, very nice. And the maitre d's just turned around and told me that I need trousers. Don't think. Maybe I'll have to come back with Annie. So you can eat in the fine dining restaurant, set meal, 3,400 peso. Salamat ati. An original hardwood, mahogany. The lady's just turned and said, wow. So you got ice creams, meats, charcuterie. I don't think that's going to last until I get back to Davao. So this is the Heritage Museum. And this is everything from 1900s and what they found here and what they took from the old buildings, like these plinths, when they refurbished. The old style colonial wood, hardwood, wardrobes, hardwood, termite resistant. It's amazing. It's beautiful. Oh. Is that a bullet hole? Hello ma'am, kumusta? Oh, mabuti. So I'm going to go and see if I can find some food somewhere. Fine dining, conference rooms. Beautiful wedding cakes. Centerpieces for wedding cakes. Ooh. Look at them. They look absolutely beautiful. It's the height of opulence and decadence here. Amazing. It is a splendid, splendid hotel. So this is Uban, and he is working here at Manila. He has recommended the Manila Hotel Pizza, the Manila cocktail, MacArthur cocktail, and the
San Miguel draft beer.
San Miguel draft beer.
Yeah.
And he's from Mindanao.
From Mindanao, Misamis
Mindanao.
Occidental.
There we go. Shout out for him. Yeah, good. Okay. Salamat kuya.
Thank you so much.
And the reason I've ordered a MacArthur cocktail is because MacArthur, when he came to Manila, he resided in this hotel. It was designed in 1912 by an American, and he stayed in here after he got asked his Japanese friends to leave. It's done in mahogany panelling, very dark wood, and this is in the original building. So this is the original bar. I don't think it was called the tap room then. I think it would most probably be called something like the all these celebrities. They really should lighten up these pictures. They got a little bit of wording at the bottom, but I don't know who they are because I can't actually see it. They need to put some lights. They've got some glorious lights. I've got a TV up there which is great. It's not on, but the bar is really nice. It's got that really plush carpet. It's got Starsky and Hutch velour chairs. There's a maitre d'. They play music in here. This goes out to the a la carte restaurant, but this is the tap room. Look at that. Unbelievable. Swimming pools outside. Buffet restaurants through here. A la carte is out here, and then to the right is the champagne restaurant. The champagne, as I said earlier, 3,800 peso set meal. But I'm going to relax in here. Cashew nuts. The American General MacArthur cocktail. And draft San Miguel Light. Unbelievable. Look at that. You just have to do it when you're in Manila. I just had a phone call from Jim. He's at Batanas at the port. He's trying to find some accommodation. We got separated this afternoon around about 3:30. I decided to stay here. I didn't want to travel through Manila. I'd already been on the bike for 5 hours. That's enough for me. Wise decision? Yeah, definitely wise decision. I'm going to catch up with him tomorrow. I'm going to get my dry cleaning done, and then I'm going to come back. I can heartily recommend this hotel. One night, 7,200 peso for a suite on the 13th floor, overlooking the Fort of Santiago. 13th floor. All of those rooms, they're all up to 22. Down here is the lifts. So this is a newer part of the building. Go right. There's a very nice soft carpet. Let's go and press the lift. Struggled with that earlier. Took a long time. 17 floors. Looks like it. Oh, look at that mezzanine deck. We're on the 13th. Oh, look at that. Lovely. Hey, we are with Honda Click. Yeah. We are riding round Manila. Salamat kuya.
Salamat.
These are the Manila Boy Hotel.
Thank you so much.
You take care.
Take care, sir.
Thank you for looking after me.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
We will subscribe.
That's it. Safe journey on your Honda and your
Sniper.
Sniper. Fix your NMAX quickly. Yeah, no drive crazy.
Don't drive crazy.
Take care.